everyone, welcome to my channel segment, YouTube questions and topics. The information of this video are from Google search and growgreen.com. Our topic for today is make your tags with SEO in mind to get your YouTube channel noticed. Before we proceed, let's know first what is SEO. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. Creating tags for your videos works out just like tags in web pages. Tags given in videos are used for search results. This means you want to have as much information as possible in your tags, but you also don't want to flood it with irrelevant or false information which can be punished. Here are a few tags to include in every video. Number 1, your channel name or other identifier. Number 2, write what you are doing in the video. And number 3, put prominent things in the video. Don't forget to put your videos in the right category. Good tagging and good categories is how you get your YouTube channel noticed. So just remember, tags can improve our channel. This is where I got the reference of this video from Google search and growgreen.com. A million thanks to all my channel members. They are Katoto Komotor Vlog, Ganya Official, Roots Joel, Anji TV, Mirasol Idlon TV, and Bert Lambucho. That's it. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and click the bell of notification.